You tired? Sleeping on Mum? A bit big to sleep on Mum's lap, Louie. You snore worse than Dad.